The Loop from Garrison Dental Solutions is an all-new LED curing light that provides confidence in every cure. For optimal results, consistent light delivery is crucial. However, achieving perfect hand positioning and distance with a traditional curing light can be challenging. Loop takes the guesswork out of light curing. It's the only curing light with real-time feedback. It automatically adjusts power to deliver the precise energy dose required for an ideal cure every single time. The name Loop is inspired by the algorithmic feedback loop that's integrated into Garrison's adaptive power delivery circuit. It's the heart and brains of Loop, dynamically adjusting the curing light output in real time. Closed-loop technology, developed and patented by Garrison, is the first true innovation for light curing in a generation. Whatever you select for your cure settings, Loop delivers exactly that dose, regardless if the tip is 1 millimeter from the surface, 8 millimeters away, or moving around somewhere in between. Research shows undercured composites can lead to premature failure. Simply extending the curing time isn't the answer either. It can introduce heat stress and other complications. Closed-loop technology is the answer. Loop delivers the precise dose of light energy, ensuring every cure is perfect. Loop is designed to deliver light only when it's properly aligned with the tooth. It pauses the curing process if the lens is not correctly positioned before starting or if it drifts too far from the target. Loop ensures the light energy is delivered exactly where it is needed, preventing undercured materials. Loop starts with a substantial 9.7 millimeter lens diameter. This ensures broad initial coverage. Thanks to its closed-loop technology, it maintains the desired irradiance even when the beam expands due to increased distance. This means the effective beam width can be as wide as needed. Simply move the tip away from the target, and Loop will deliver an accurate dose of light energy to a much larger area. This ensures effective curing regardless of distance. Loop utilizes a dual wavelength LED system. It efficiently activates a broad range of photoinitiators between 390 and 480 nanometers, while the dual lens design ensures that the light's full spectrum is distributed uniformly across the entire beam for a consistent cure. Loop simplifies curing light performance with its built-in self-calibration system. Each time Loop is returned to its charging base, it performs an automatic self-check to ensure that the lens is free from debris or scratches. If a minor issue is detected, Loop will notify you and attempt a self-correction. For more significant concerns, a full calibration cycle can be run that will adjust for LED age, battery output changes, or lens issues. Consistent light output is ensured throughout Loop's lifespan. The Loop curing light features a full-color LED display that enhances usability with an intuitive control panel. It allows you to navigate and adjust settings effortlessly while providing real-time feedback. This streamlined workflow enables you to verify every step, ensuring confidence and efficiency in achieving optimal results. Closed-loop technology, adaptive power delivery, self-calibrating. The Loop closed-loop LED curing light from Garrison Dental Solutions gives you confidence in every cure.